Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Infinity of Nashua, we have our 2021 Toyota Sienna Hybrid. Now, from the 2020 model redesign, the Sienna is hybrid only. So that means that every single trim level is a hybrid. This is a limited hybrid. I think that only works when the car is off, but I just noticed this, and that's probably to open that. I also realize just how much flexibility there is in this. Look at that! I mean, this thing has so much room to move around, and it's a very flexible design for your lifestyle. And I do have to say, it looks really, really good for a minivan. Is all-wheel drive, which is awesome in the New England climates. Let's go ahead, hop inside. Rear. That's that. So like I said, this vehicle was designed from the ground up to be a hybrid, and a hybrid exclusively. So ergonomics, everything, it's not like the hybrid system was an afterthought where you can see a massive hump in the rear. It's actually right underneath the driver's seat. Pretty darn cool. And everybody wants an up high seating position, so it works to have the seat mounted a little bit higher, put the batteries and everything underneath the driver, and not compromise the flat floor loading capabilities of the rear. All right, a couple different drive modes. You have Eco, Normal, Sport. Do have EV mode. We will be in Sport. 2.5 liter inline 4. Non-turbo, mated to a hybrid all-wheel drive system, which in turn provides this perfect driving experience for what it is. Not lacking on power. It's very, very fuel efficient. One thing that I've noticed with all hybrids, some more than others, is a very touchy brake pedal. It is, if you hop out of a combustion engine and into this, it's going to be very, very touchy at first. Spend time with it. I've taken this home. You get used to it. But when you first test drive it, if you aren't familiar with how a Toyota hybrid brake pedal feels, you're going to go through the windshield, because the first initial press is pure regen, and then all of a sudden the brakes kick in. So you'll see what I mean. I'm sure I'm going to make the mistake once or twice. JBL sound system sounds great, so while we do this acceleration, you'll be like, it sounds terrible. Keep in mind that with the stereo bumping, you're not going to hear the engine. Do have a wireless charging pad up here. Rear entertainment is optional, even on the limited trim. I don't know about the platinum, or if there even is a platinum trim. Should have done my research, but I'm an idiot. So this one does not have theater. I know it is optional on the limited. I'm pretty sure it's rear entertainment pack or something, like family entertainment pack, something like that. Every manufacturer has something a little bit different. I'm of course working at an Infinity store, so I know how Infinity calls it, which is theater. actually pretty impressive out of a minivan, being all-wheel drive. These were, I don't know if being hybrid only, but previous gens were front drivers, so you have a big V6 up front, and the rear wheels are just along for the ride. All-wheel drive, and now, so it's gonna go through a corner a lot better than a pure front drive, just because you're now sharing the rear wheels with the driving process, so you're not overloading the fronts. Not know what that was, and I'm not sure I want to. Oh, it's probably a new pothole that they just filled in. Oh wow, really good turning circle. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.